We are now ready to crease and fold our dashed lines on our fish. Your ID card will work really well for this, and all you do is put it on the line and fold. Now, what I like to do is I like to turn this and put the smaller part underneath the card, push down, and that gives me the rest of the paper to use as leverage to fold and crease. And then we just keep going. Fold and creasing all the way around. Even in the little areas. Especially these long ones, it's a lot easier. Instead of doing it this way, it's a lot easier to have that smaller piece underneath the card. Put down a little pressure onto the top of the card, and then just slowly just slide. Once you have creases in all the lines, you're just going to go and you're going to fold them back and forth. And if they're creased well, it should be really easy to fold. Okay, so you are starting to have like this almost three-dimensional fish shape. What's going to happen is the back is folded up. This is going to be folded inside. It's going to fold down. And that's what's going to create your little mouth area. All right, we'll do the second one too.